a large Too Good To Go package. This is the XXL package. I will put in the information now. And this is my just out of bed look. I'm a little bit in a hurry, so I'm doing this right now. I'm going to unbox this. I'm putting it here at the side and then take out stuff. I'm going to put it. Okay, try not to look. Okay. Put it aside and let's see what we have. Solidify. Kilo popcorn cheese, which is a nice one because Tim and I both, I'm a little bit silent because he's relaxing in the bathtub, so might have to turn the sound a little bit higher to understand what I'm saying. But anyway, this is something we both like, and the date is 2/11/2024. So it's okay. Everything, by the way, in Too Good To Go, if you have not seen my previous films, is past date but still good. So it's the date which they have to put on it, but the product is good months afterwards because it doesn't spoil. Still, you have to always smell and taste if it's okay, just to rule out any another one, just to rule out any problems. But until now I have never experienced it. Another one, okay, oh, something I like, not very diverse. Oh, I felt the bag and I thought, oh no, not another one. Okay, this is a flaming hot and I'm going to give this away because we have had that free with something before and it's really hot. So this is going to go to a little closet with a library, take a small library where people can also leave food for people who don't have much money, and I will leave that. So it goes to a kind of good case also. Good cause. A box. Cadbury milk. Looks exactly nice. Dairy milk. And the date is 21/11/2024. So it's not past date yet, but coming. And chocolate is always very nice. And there are 12 bars in it, I think. Yes. Sorry, I pushed. And another one, also a daily dairy milk. It's not very, but a lot of stuff we can easily use. Let's see. Okay, I have to start eating muesli again. Once in a while I have to eat muesli because it's in a box or something, but I have no trouble with it. Problem. It was kind of a mix. And this one is until the 25th of December, so it's time enough to eat it. And it's 100% bio. And muesli, my opinion, is my husband is gonna love this. He's really loves cheese. So, and this is to the 18th of January 2025, so also time enough to eat it. A lot of cheese. A lot of cheese and a lot of chocolate. Not bad. I have to eat muesli for quite some time. Okay, but it's healthy, so, and I like it, so it's not problem. Tony Chocolonely, also chocolate. This one is dark with paper note. So it's kind of Sinterklaas chocolate. Very nice, because in a few days it's Sinterklaas. But Pim is not that fond of dark chocolate, but maybe if there is paper note in it, you might want to try it. So another chocolate. Another bag, as far as I can feel. Oh no. We are going on the cheese popcorn diet for the next few weeks. Maybe it works. You never know. But anyway, another one. Okay. So as far as I can tell now, it's kind of not very varied, but in our case, almost all the things are really usable and fit into our regular food schedule, except then these, but they are going to good use. And another Flippies cheese from Theo. So also more cheese. I know us Dutch have the reputation of being lovers of cheese, and we have a lot of good cheeses we make in this land, like the Gouda. But even for Dutch people, this is a lot of cheesy stuff. But anyway, my husband likes cheese, so it's not that bad, but it's a little bit cheesy. It's a cheesy package. And another pure paper note, a dark paper note. It's getting harder to read because I'm getting slightly to the bottom. I feel a bottom. A protein shake, chocolate flavor. No added sugar. Let's see, is there a date on it? Here. The 13th of 11, 2024, so it's okay. I probably will be drinking this. Maybe as a kind of chocolate milk on Sinterklaas evening or something. I assume it's kind of chocolately milky. I have no idea, but anyway, again, chocolate. Whoa, we have a lot of chocolate. A lot of cheese chips, 2 kinds of cheese chips, and 2 packages of very healthy muesli. And this feels new. Crackers, which we can use also. Every Saturday we drink 1 wine and PM 1 beer with something on toast or crackers, and they can be easily used for that. And the date is 23/11/24. As you probably understand, European or Dutch dates are formulated a little bit different than American dates, but you figure it out probably what I mean. On the bag, stir fry noodles, translated, can also easily be adapted in our meals, into our meals. Let's see, date. 18/12/2024, so also time enough to put them to use. Okay, what's this? It's a bottle and it's garlic mayonnaise. I think Pim will like this. He likes mayonnaise and he likes garlic, so probably very nice. 11/2024, so time enough. I must say it's not extremely varied in the sense of a lot of cheese, chips, popcorn and chocolate, but until now all the items can be easily functioning in our regular meal and don't have to find ways to make it work in our way of eating patterns, etc. Have to hurry a little bit. We have havermilk. That is, I don't know exactly what the name is in English, but it's a milk made from grain, wheat, I think. something like that. So I have to figure out a way to use it, because we don't drink our coffee with milk. But maybe I can find a nice recipe, or I don't know, but maybe I can use it. The date is where's here, 28/11/2024. I'm getting to the bottom, but still some items there. Okay, and another of the milk. Let's see, I have to stand up now to get to it. Another chocolate, this time an eco vegan milk-like hazelnut. Let's see, I never tasted 100% vegan, I think. No. So let's kind of compare it sometimes with another chocolate. It's maybe one of those, but it's not an honest comparison probably, so I have to see if it's reasonable to compare one not the vegan chocolate with a non-vegan chocolate. But I have to have hazelnut style to be able to compare it, and I don't think I'm buying one especially for that. So let's see. Another crackers. It's good that we eat something crackers every Saturday evening, because a third crackers. And a fourth. And that's it. And the box is for Buffy if she wants it. Buffy!
Oh, and Buffy says to tell you she likes the box a lot. Thank you. Yes, I think she does.
So, all in all, I don't have time to calculate the worth, but I have done these packages before and they always work out perfectly, so I'm going to trust that because I'm a little bit cramped in time. All in all, most of the things are easily fit in our regular pattern. For these I have to find a way, maybe a recipe or something like that. But maybe I will show it when I use it in a weird recipe or something like that. I think oat, it's oat. I couldn't find the word in English just a little while ago, but it's oat, I think. Oat. It's oat milk. But the other things, everything we can use. It's a little bit one-sided, a lot of cheese, but okay. And then this one, which we will put forward to a good cause. So nothing is lost there. And it's been another experience which I enjoyed. I always like surprises. And these are practical surprises. And also good for the environment and waste. So everything to win. For me at least, if you're a little bit creative and you can handle dealing with products that might not always be your kind of thing and might not really think you like, but you can always try. Or make somebody else happy with them. It always can find its place. So if you enjoyed this video, a little bit chaotic, if you're not too frightened by my just out of bed look, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!